Start from the back. Don't you fucking worry, boy.
That's some Pocahontas like shit.
It's a look.
What is up, Aivazian Nation?
It's not even cold out.
Doesn't feel that cold. Doesn't feel as cold as I would have thought. Oh, pick that up and throw it. That big one. Almost hit Joe in the head. Wow, what a great day to start. This place is beautiful. This place is seriously beautiful. Throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Show that ground what's up. That's what I like to see. We're out here tearing shit up. Yeah. So in my opinion, I thought it was a good idea to wear a fucking suit. So I'm wearing a suit for the snowboarding trip because it's all business. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, so we just got to snowball. It is cold. It is very cold. We are gonna go up and rent all the stuff that we need to use. And I'm gonna switch over to my GoPro and record me falling down and whatever else happens. Looking forward to it. Of course. This is my first time ever skiing. And we're going up fucking, what is this place? Mount Everest? God damn, we're going up Everest for my first time.
Remember that fat drop off on Hood?
I am legitimately scared as fuck. Look at all these trees that are gonna hurt me. Why are these things so fucking high off the ground? They couldn't have put them 20 feet lower?
Come on, Michael, let's go. Just wait for that snowboarder.
My shit.
Get up sideways towards the hill. Man, he went like 14 miles an hour and didn't fall. Zach eats shit every time, but so do I. Now we're just looking for Paul Bunyan. He's probably out in these woods somewhere, chopping some trees down. But goddamn, Blake, this is fun as fuck. I'm in this suit. 3 girls have been like, no one's talked to me. good. Damn. Sorry. That guy just talked shit to me. The goat.
Our skiing, snowboarding day is done. It was a good one. Toward the end, we lost my GoPro. Very depressing, but somebody turned it in. We got it back. Blake only fell 3 million times and only went down 2 hills. One on the board, one on foot. Just sprinting down that hill. When I crashed, that shit hurts. Joe did like a 360. A 180, 180. A double 180.
Got it or what?
That was nice. So much ice in my shoes. Just finished the day by eating off at Cane's. Time to go back to Tempe.
Anas. It's warm.
It's warm in Tempe. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh my pants are so wet. My pants and shirt are so wet. Okay, so we just got back to Tempe. We dropped everybody off. We took some showers, ate a little bit more, and now Joe and I are gonna go find something else to do, but that's gonna be it for vlog number 5. Good night. It might not be night when you say it, when you're, it's not
It won't be nighttime when you may watch this, so yeah. Good morning. Or good afternoon.
Whatever it is, have a good one. Catch you next time. Yeah.